What is up, YouTube? Bring you guys another Screw Panini video. A wise man told me to stick to my guns, so therefore I will stick to them. I did a follow-up request on my redemption with the Peyton Manning, and I told him that I am holding out on Panini products until they fix their shit. So went to PJ's and grabbed this box of Prime, since I've actually been doing pretty well pack wise. Speaking of that, I also did grab 2 packs at Harry's of Prime and got this numbered of Devin Hester numbered to 199, Emmanuel Sanders numbered to 999, and this quad of Braylon Edwards, LT, Jonathan Dwyer, and Emmanuel Sanders. And I also got an auto of Taylor Price. So that's a little mini pack recap. And now we'll go into the box. Looking for the PJ's Mojo. There's gonna be like, what is it? Like 12 packs. This is actually my first time opening a box of this stuff. There's a checklist. So I guess there's 10 apple pie boxes, right? And here are here we are. Jesus, forgot this is actually gonna be a long video, ain't it? But oh well, we're here to have fun, folks. Hoping for that PJ's Mojo. The best one I think I pulled here was a Sam Bradford, I believe. Hopefully the streak continues. If not, it's all good. Here's a duel of Jonathan Dwyer, Emmanuel Sanders. Try to do this as fast as I can, guys. I know it does take a long time to open these things. Probably one of the most controversial products to open, just because there's so many protection in terms of the packs. But here's our first hit. It's a quad of Dexter McCluster, Brandon LaFeezy, Ben Tate, and Montario Hardesty, numbered 120 of 175. Quad relic jersey. And also a duel of Jimmy Clausen and Brandon LaFeezy. Hope everybody's having a good day. If you're not having a good day, go make it a good day. Here's a triple of Jermaine Gresham, Jonathan Dwyer, and Montario Hardesty. I guess it's a red parallel of Brandon LaFeezy, number 2 of 75. Man, there's a lot of LaFells in this box. Apple pie boxes for the win. Screw Panini, Frank Gore, Ryan Grant. Here's another quad of Marty Gilliard, Marcus Easley, Jacoby Ford, Mike Williams, and a serial rookie of Sue, numbered 47 of 699. Base. Can I order 6 or 10 apple pies with a side of Mojo, please? Thank you. Base. Jimmy Clausen and a rookie of Marcus Easley, number to 999. Why is there so many packaging for cards? Calvin, Drew Brees, J.R. Hughes rookie, and a quad of AP, Toby Gerhart, Steve Slayton, and Ben Tate. And a numbered card of Pierre Thomas, number to 199. So only one hit so far. Should have some. I should have more autos, right? Oh, here's another Sue. And here's a triple of Colt McCoy, Montario Hardesty, and Carlton Mitchell. So I think these should have hits in them. These last three, if not, I might have gotten shorted. There's one autograph relic and one auto. Brandon LaFell box, of course. Number to 499. There's a black jersey. Miguel, what up? Oh. So many packs to open. So much time. That's a nice one. Sam Bradford jersey, number to 420. 240 or 420. This one should be an auto. Hopefully it's a good one. Let's end strong. Sam Bradford jersey. Let's see. Oop. Ooh. Nice. Colt McCoy auto. So that was actually a pretty good box. Can't complain about that one. Number to 149. So recap. I did see this because I saw the Tebow right there. I got a little bit excited, but Colt McCoy auto, Montario Hardesty quad, Sammy B Joyzy, and Brandon LaFell. Miguel, let me know if you have that already. Peace out, YouTube. Screw Panini. Bye-bye.